In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the document agent to configure processing of documents. So you don't have to do it all by hand. My example is, and I'm going to go to documents here, is a receipt. And I've removed all previous configuration for the receipt, so I can start from scratch and show you how it's done. And on the right side, I have the document agent. Think of it like cursor, but for documents. And I'm going to tell it what to do. I'm going to say configure a tag, schema, and prompt to process this type of documents. And I'm going to choose from the language models, I'm going to choose Claude Opus because it's one of the best models for this type of processing. Also, GPT is a good choice here. Why did I say process this type of documents as opposed to this document? Because I want to create configuration that will process any kind of receipt that is similar to this receipt. So the model is thinking, it creates a plan, it calls the help schema, help prompts tools to figure out what it needs to do, what's the format for the schema and the prompts. It's going to list the available LLM models to figure out what is the best model for the job. And eventually it created a tag, which I approved, and it validated the schema. And now it's going to create the schema also. I'm going to approve that. The schema is now validated and it has the right JSON format. And it's creating the prompt. You can see that the model is still thinking because the icon here is red. The available tools, the read-write tools are listed here and can be enabled for auto approval, but I like to stay in the loop. That's it. The document will be now updated with the tag and the extraction will be run and we're going to be able to see the results. And this is still running the LLM right now. We're waiting. Okay, results are in. Let's see. Everything is set up and working. Here is the summary of what was created. It created a tag for the receipt and the color of the tag is green. Let's take a look. This is the green tag. It created the schema. Let's go to the schema. And the schema has store name, store phone, store number, operator number, everything needed, including line items, which have a description. And this is the JSON for the created schema. So you see the advantage of using the document agent here because it's complicated to create accurate schemas. You can actually iterate over the created schema and over the created prompt, and you can update them also through the document agent. This is the prompt with the prompt instructions, the model chosen out of the supported models, and we support all major models, with the schema, and with a few other settings here. And that's it. Let's look at the extraction. I'm going to refresh the page to get to the extraction, and this is the result. This is the result of the extraction. Now I can run at scale hundreds and thousands of receipts of the same type. As long as I tag them with the same tag, this is going to work. I can retrieve the chat history from here. And that's it. See you in the next video. This was the presentation of the document agent used to create schema, prompt, and tag for documents. You can also use it to iterate and to improve the configuration based on extraction with other documents.